Want to know what the best trading platforms are for beginners? Let's find out in Trade Talk Tuesday. Let's get going. Hi, I'm Karim Rahimtullah. I'm the former investment director at the Oxford Club, and now I'm the head fundamental trade tactician and co-founder of the War Room. And if you're looking for the best trading platform, this video is for you. There's two trading platforms that I like. One is over at TD Ameritrade, and the other one is at Fidelity. So these are both really simple trading platforms. They allow you to go in and choose from a menu, especially from the options. Okay, you can go in there, like in an Ameritrade, you go into the trade tab, and in the trade tab, you can pull down whether you want to do an option trade or a stock trade. If you pull down an option trade, it gives you a list of whether you want to do a calendar spread, a regular spread, which is a vertical bull spread or a bear spread, whether you want to do a covered call, whether you want to do a straight option. And it also gives you a custom tab. And that custom tab is really important because if we want to do, let's say, a diagonal spread, maybe you don't know what a diagonal spread is, but if you want to do it, that's where you would do it. So TD Ameritrade has a really simple platform for that. And then they have another platform called Thinkorswim, which is more advanced. And if you can't get through the first one, there's actually no point talking about Thinkorswim because Thinkorswim is much more complex, yet it becomes much easier once you get the lingo down and you see all the charts on the screen at the same time, things like that. So I would start first with TD Ameritrade and their platform, which is their normal one. And then let's go over to Fidelity, because Fidelity also has a really good platform. I think theirs is slightly more complicated than Ameritrade, graphically presented when I look at it, but it's still a very good platform because it allows you also to do all of the same things that I spoke about with Ameritrade. But I think that Fidelity actually gives you better prices, okay? So, and both of these platforms have one thing in common, which is they both have mobile apps as well, so you can do them on the run. So what I don't like about TD Ameritrade is that if you enter a spread trade, for example, on your PC or on your laptop, not on your phone app is easier, you can't go back in and edit the trade. You have to go back and start the whole trade over again. So you can't just say, change the price on the spread to this for the net debit or this for the net credit. So that to me is kind of irritating. So the TD mobile app is a better app than the TD actual app on your PC or laptop. However, if you want to enter the trade, it's better to do it on your laptop or your PC because it's easier to do. So there's a little bit of a convoluted answer to which one's the better trade, but you actually need to use both. So you can edit the trade really well on your phone, but you can't edit the trade really well in the actual program on your PC, which is kind of the weirdest thing in the world. So if this video resonates with you and you were looking for how to use a trading platform and the best trading platform to start hitting up on winners for options, your first step would be to get to my top 5 picks, $5. Click on the link below to get started.